Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I have not been uploading videos as much as I should. I've been really tied up with a few things. You will see those coming up on my channel shortly. But today this package arrived in my house and I'm not sure what exactly it is besides looking at the bottle. Now, honestly, this is kind of crazy. So let's dive into the box together and see what this is all about. So here on top, I mean, honestly, I don't know what this is. I haven't Googled what this is. I haven't opened the package. So from what I could see, it's LifeFuels, the smart nutrition bottle that adapts to your day. And you got like a picture of a bottle with some kind of dial here. On the side, it says mix, sip, and go. Insert fuel pods. So I guess there's kind of weird fuel pods you put in. Fill with water, dispense and mix. And there's an app. There's actually an app, so this bottle must be Bluetooth. And here we have, so they track hydration. It's 30 beverages per fuel pod, up to 7-day battery life. Let's see the features. So it's a 16-ounce, 3 fuel pods that come with this, and then there's one button. Performance, the bottle, okay, sustainability. And what's in the box? We got the smart nutrition carrying lanyard. And you could see there's an app for App Store and Google Play Store. So let's jump into this box and see what this is all about. Oh, and I forgot to show there's a complete nutrition fact on the box. So you got all this vitamins, calories, and there's a peach, one lemon lime, and blackberry acai. And I guess the fuel pods look like this. Alright. I hope this is the right way. Okay, it is. Oh, there's a letter. This is interesting. And the sticker. Okay, so it says, congratulations. You are one of our first 1,000 customers. We hope you love the bottle as much as we do. Welcome to the Fuel fam. Cool. All right, so this is the bottle. So those are the fuel pods. What is this? So this is a micro USB charger. This is so weird. Okay, we'll get back to the bottle. Okay, so here we have turn over for a quick start. Oh wow. How to load fuel pods, how to clean your bottle. So this is the fuel pods, I guess. So each of them have different vitamins on them, I guess. Okay, so I mean, I guess this goes in there somehow. We'll get back to that in a second. So I got there's a box that says charge. This is a box that says clean. And it comes with like a soft type of cleaning brush. All right. And then there's a box that says charge. So they give you a brick and a cable. So let's see if you could connect everything together. So Let's see, where do we start? All right. How to load fuel pods. Unscrew the base cap and fuel pod cap. Set the fuel pod cap aside for later use. I wonder if it tastes good. Wow, it tastes kind of weird, sour. Okay. Now press the power button to turn on. So wait, the power button is in here. How do I know this turns on? Does it even have battery? Okay, let me charge this first. Let's see what's going on here. All right, guys, so I brought out my iPad so you guys could see how the app works. So you go to LifeFuels app, download it. Okay. Then you click open, allow it, and then log in. And as you guys could see, this is my fuel thing. So why is it not paired? So it's gonna search for a bottle. I paired it on my iPhone already. It says here, unscrew this, turn it back on. Okay, so I guess it's on. And now I put any of the pods into any of this. And I have to screw it in. Is it on or not? Oh, look at that. Picked up the yellow and the purple. This is the orange. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, so now they're all there. Let's see, the bay lead. Okay, repeat with the remaining. How to dispense the fuel pods. Oh, look, it actually recognized them on the app as well. Now let me pour some water in this. Look, and now you could see which ones you want to dispense. So this is the acai, I guess. That's the red one and the lemon one. Oh, I'm going to go wash this before I pour water in this, okay? Give me a moment. Now, I guess this somehow twists back in. Just like that, it just twists back in. All right, and let me move the iPad to the left. All right, let me get this in the middle. And by the way, Fiji, if you're watching, I'm still waiting for the sponsorship. Okay, this is not good at all. My iPad is getting wet. Holy shit. Guys, I have no idea what is happening here anymore. Why is it? Did I not? Oh my god. Hold on. I'll be right back. Emergency situation, guys. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning back in to channel a little more on. All right, attempt number 2. So, to remove the vessel from the base, tightly grip the vessel. Okay. What is going on? So that's how you unplug it. Why is it spilling out? That does not seem secure. No. Oh, so the ring. Okay, so this is the ring. It just goes in. I am stupid, I guess. And then to close it. See, that does not work like that. I don't get this. Nope. It should go in here. And then this should just... Right, I am back and I'm doing this right. You just line this band up. You somehow just twist this thing on. They're saying flat side down. So I guess there is a sharp side, like a round side, and a flat side. So that's what I'm doing wrong. Flat side goes down. And then they said just twist it, okay? I twisted it. It's there. Now attempt number... Okay, that's good, right? I hope so. Well, we all learn somehow. I gotta get another bottle. Okay. Screw this on. Okay. So I could technically press this and it will, so there again. Okay, so see, when I press it, it asks me if I want a strong flavor, light flavor, or standard, and it tells you about the stuff. So I'm gonna click swipe to dispense. Oh, whoa. That is so interesting. Do you guys see that? Let me turn on the light. It just, there's fruit now in there. Let me... That is so cool. Wow. Okay, now it says my bottle is dying, but let me do a strong so you guys could. It's hard to see, but there's like the bubbles that actually dispense it. And now my fuel pod died. But yeah, guys, that is kind of the setup of this. I will try to make another video diving into the application and stuff. Whew, I'm tired and stressed out. We all learned the hard way how to set this up. So don't make the same mistakes, okay? Thank you for tuning to Tech 5's how to fail miserably at your first setup. And if you want to see more miserable videos of me failing, click that subscribe button. I mean, if I would be you, I would probably avoid that subscribe button, but give me a thumbs up. I'm out.